Welcome to Rishikesh, a place where time slows down and the soul begins to breathe. This is not just a destination, it's a journey inward. As the first light of dawn kisses the Himalayan peaks, I find myself walking along the sacred Ganga, its waters whispering stories older than time. The air here isn't just clean, it's healing. The chants from ashrams float like prayer flags on the breeze, and every sunrise feels like a fresh start. With every step on the riverside path, the world gets quieter, and somehow more alive. I followed the mountain trails where silence speaks louder than words, and the views, they steal your breath before the altitude does. then the sunrise, not just light but hope, spilling across snow-capped ridges like a quiet miracle. In Rishikesh, life is simple. And in that simplicity you find something rare: peace. If you've ever needed a moment to breathe, a reason to pause, or just a place to feel something again, come here.